The first part.
Hello, we are grade 14 and we are now doing our final presentation. And our project is the voice activated AI assistant and overview. Why we want to do this? Because nowadays the ChatGPT is famous right now. So if we want to make it connect to other IoT device to make the ChatGPT to everywhere. So we want to do this to small presentation today. We can use the ChatGPT API to connect with the Raspberry Pi to make the GPT in every way by the IoT device.
Introduction about our ChatGPT AI board. So it's built with the voice activation AI assistant with the Python. We do the coding in the Python, and the tool we use is like a ChatGPT 3.5. The API key we use, the ChatGPT API key, and then the library, Python library, who can speak up the text. He can read the text and then speak in the voice, and then again he take the input of the voice, and again he type in the ChatGPT, and after the ChatGPT get the result, he will give back that result in the form of the voice. So yeah, the text to speech engine we use for the library. So the spoken language is in English.
Let's talk about our code constructor briefly. And the code for the voice active assistant is follow construction. The first is the input library. Then we input some library for the assistant using. And the second is that we set up the API key to use our GPT API and to make our code know where to connect. And then three, we define the wake word and greeting. We set like hello, hi to generate our AI assistant. And the first is the listen for user input. And after we say hi or hello to generate it, and we can spell what is our question, like when you type on the ChatGPT. And the fifth is that and then our code will process what we say and make our voice translate to the word and upload to the ChatGPT API to make the API to make GPT to compose and then find the result and return the feedback or answer to us. And the final change customer to text to speech. Yeah, this is our code constructor.
Oh, so wake up detection. When we say hello, like as per we input in our code, like any word like hi, hello, hello Johnson, hello professor. So after the code can detect our voice, which we input in our Python code. So after that he will wake up and then he will say like, okay, wake up word is detect. So we need to say, to wake up the chat GPT, we need to say something as per we provide the code.
And in our project, the second special thing is that we use the wake word detection. What is wake word detection? Wake word detection is a functional of AI assistant that can allow it to be activated by specific word or phrase. Like he can specify detect what we say, like we say hello, he can recognize it and answer our feedback.
Oh, so natural language processing. So after we say something, so the model can detect what we say. So after he detect the voice, so he can convert in the text form, because ChatGPT has a text, not like the voice or something. So after he take that input from the person as in the form of the voice, so he can convert in the text, and then he can feed in the chat GPT the natural language, and then yeah, so and he will assist the appropriate answer what we ask to the chat GPT.
And now we talk about our API engine is our OpenAI GPT 3.4 Turbo. Because we have a problem with because we don't have the Plus, so we only can use the 3.5 Turbo. And the 3.5 Turbo have some special function. like the wake word detection we talked before, and the natural
Natural
language
language
processing, and the text-to-speech functioning. We use our AI assistant to make the speech to text, and the text will send back to the GPT 3.5 table, and then the text back, and our to make those text translate back by the speech.
So this one is like a third stage, like we mentioned, after the natural language processing. That this one is a third one. So text to speech engine, where we use the library like utilize the ESpeak text to speech engine. He can convert the text in the form of the speak, and we can implement with the AI assistant. Yeah, after that it's allowed to seamless and natural conversation between the user and the AI assistant. Like with the ChatGPT, we can connect the IoT devices at our home, and then we can ask daily questions. If you have any question, you just ask with the voice. So if you are tired and then you want to feel something good, you can ask the joke also as well. Yeah, the information, the news, today's news or everything. So it's just like a small device with the Raspberry Pi, and no need too much power, because we are using in the Raspberry Pi. So in future maybe Raspberry Pi also do the too many things. So not only the light and the IoT things. So he can also do the ChatGPT. So it's good for our daily life.
So our device, our project is you can imagine that it's like our future. The AI robots not only a tool, is to convey to our daily life. So everything, no matter when we wake up have breakfast and do something, and work, and then back home, everything you can connect to the IoT, connect to the AI to make your life become more easier and comfortable.
So in this our project, we use the Raspberry Pi, the speaker, the USB speaker, and then USB microphone. So only the three things, and yeah, we use the Raspberry Pi interface inside, and then we can talk. So it is not need every time we need the screen. Without screen also we can do it by the how to say, with the screen or access the SSH modem. SSH. With the SSH we can do, because we just need to run the file, so we can do the SSH. So yeah, we have a demo of how it's work.
This is just a sample system, but in the future it has many more lot of extension by basics on this model. So maybe in the future we can base it to do far more things, like the smart home.
ESP32, ESP32, and then the smartphone here as well.
To make it to no matter not only the AI console, and also we can control the smart IoT thing by use the ChatGPT robot assistant. Hello? What is the IoT device?
The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity to enable them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. This network of connected devices can include a wide range of objects, such as smart thermostats, wearables, home security systems, industrial machinery, and more. Each of these devices forms an IoT device when they are connected to the Internet and can Communicate with other devices or users.
So we just when we run the program, so after that we just say because here you see the listen for the hello, so we just say hello, so he detect the wake up word detection. So second one is the wake up detection. After he will listening, here he can input in the ChatGPT, and again he will give back generate the audio. So the before you saw in the VLC, that one is the generate the audio, and the all information is like this here. So it's good down. Yeah, good down. Yeah. So we can just talk again, ask another thing, he will give the reply.
Hello.
Another question.
I'm doing the final presentation about ChatGPT IoT assistant right now. Can you say hello to my classmate and teacher?
Hello to your classmates and teacher. I hope you're all having a great day and enjoying the presentation on the Treasury IoT Assistant. Wishing you all the best for a successful presentation.
Yeah, so this one is our presentation, and then the ChatGPT said to us also the best luck, and then you also have a best luck and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.